In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can hide your location on Snapchat. Okay, so once you have Snapchat open, you want to go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left. Then you want to tap on the settings gear at the top right. Now, once you're on the settings page, you want to scroll down a bit until you see my location. It's in the middle of the screen on my phone. Tap on see my location, and now you have a couple of options. It says underneath ghost mode, who can see my location, my friends accept, and only these friends. So you can go ahead and decide if you want to turn on one of those settings. But if you just want to turn off your location for your friends, you can go ahead and enable ghost mode by ticking the box, and you can do this for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off. So I'm just going to select until turned off, and now my friends won't be able to see my location. So that is how you hide your location on Snapchat. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.